What do you think? Do you approve? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a try on, and a review on the Colourpop Cosmetics Star Wars The Mandalorian eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. With that being said, let's get started. So the eyeshadow palette looks like this. This is the front, and then this is the back. So this eyeshadow palette is by Colourpop Cosmetics, and it's called The Mandalorian The Child Pressed Powder Palette. And of course, Disney Plus and Star Wars, Colourpop Cosmetics, cruelty free, and then it has names for eyeshadows: Precious Cargo, Right Hand Mando, Just Like Tatooine, Sipping Soup, Baby Face, The Force, Little Frog, Float Your Crib, Droid Protocol. He has a little frog. This is so cute. Let's open this. Isn't this cute? Look at that. Okay. Feels smooth, and you can feel like the outline of the little stars here, and of Grogu's outfit, and of himself. The names again. It has a mirror. Like it has a mirror. Okay, so it does come with a protective film for the eyeshadows, which I like. It does have the eyeshadow names in the front with the eyeshadows, which I like. And it also does have a mirror, which I also like. Let me show you guys this mirror. So on the mirror, it has Cutest in the Galaxy, and then it has Grogu there. This is the front of the eyeshadow palette. Now, let's get to swatching. So for swatching, I'm going to go straight ahead for each. So right now that I am swatching them, I do have to say the colors look very pretty on the palette, and they also look very pretty when I swatch them. Of course, I can tell that some of them are going to need a little bit more build up than the rest. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them that have, actually 5 of them that have a little bit of glitter, but specifically more this one and this one. So the eyeshadows are creamy and they swatched very well, but as you can see, these right here and then this one have a lot of fallout, and it just sticks to the pan. So even if you try to like swipe it, it's a little bit like it stains it a little bit, but that I don't mind. I just wanted to show you guys that. Now I'm gonna try them on. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? So my final thoughts on this palette is that I really like it. So let's go on with the final rating. Out of 5, I give this palette a 5. My final thoughts on this palette is, would I use it again? Yes, I would. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. I think Colourpop Cosmetics has a really good eyeshadow base. So basically what I'm trying to say is that Colourpop Cosmetics knows how to do their eyeshadows. They're creamy, they're soft, they're kind of buttery. Of course, this palette has a lot of fallout. Every eyeshadow palette has a lot of fallout, but this one had a lot of fallout. Specifically on this green one right here, a lot, but I mean a lot of fallout. I do like that they're very creamy. They're very easy to start building up. Also, they're very easy to clean up if you mess up on something. I like the formula that Colourpop Cosmetics uses. I don't know what they use, but they do a good job at eyeshadows. Also, I really like the packaging. The packaging is super cute. I like that the names are in the back, and also that the names are in the front with the eyeshadows. I also like that it has a mirror, and of course you can see little Grogu there in the front too, or as many of you guys know him as the Baby Yoda. I really like this palette. I think it's very beautiful. The greens, how they applied, how they blended, and I used every shade in this palette to create this look. I wanted to incorporate all of them, so this is what I ended up with. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's free, you're supporting me, and it helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you did, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.